I will tell you a story.
This meal is awful.
Don't complain and eat it.
You slept like a log yesterday.
I need more logs.
Le comte d'Alençon est très arrogant.
Ce sera une grande bataille.
J'aimerais baiser ta sœur. Elle est si belle. Merde. Cochonne.
Pan Jindřich z Rožmberka si tu jistě dobude slávu.
Co asi dělá moje Zuzana?
In the year 1346, the clouds of war darkened Europe. Edward III of England had come to France with an army to claim his right to the French throne, while King Philip VI of France sought to defend his kingdom. Amongst the forces of France stood a reputable ally, John of Bohemia, the blind king, with his son, Charles, King of the Romans, by his side.
We are here, my son, because of honor, for our allies, for our duty. But remember, we are not just fighting for the French crown. We are fighting for the strength of our legacy.
Yes, Father, but the English army is formidable. Edward III and his son, the Black Prince, lead them with skill. Can we defeat them?
It is not the size of the army, my son, but the courage and resolve of the men who fight. We must be brave and we must be bold. France is in our grasp. This battle will decide our fate.
mes chers amis. Allons-y.
Edward III, King of England, had proven his military brilliance time and again. But today he would face a new challenge, an alliance between France and the Kingdom of Bohemia, backed by the seasoned King John.
The French may have the numbers, but we have the advantage of experience and discipline. My son, the Black Prince, will lead our knights into the heart of their forces.
I will not let you down, Father. The men are ready. We will win this day.
Remember, my son, battle is not just about strength. It is about strategy. We will use our longbows to soften their lines before we engage them in close combat. Trust in your men and trust in your training.
We shall see who has the true strength of will, Father.
Form the battle lines. Quickly!
The English are on a well-fortified hill.
And we are so tired after a long march.
It would be sensible to attack tomorrow.
Why wait? Let's attack! Did you see the Genoese crossbowmen? They are exhausted. Furthermore, they still don't have their Pavis shields.
How come?
I don't know.
I don't care about the Genoese. They are bloody mercenaries.
They fight for money. We fight for honor. Fame, ladies and wine too.
The initial attack is to be led by Count d'Alençon.
The king's brother.
Count d'Alençon is both reckless and careless.
I don't like him.
John of Bohemia, the chivalrous king, should be leading the charge. Bien sûr.
Crossbowmen forward. Show them no mercy, and show me you're worth the costs.
Oh no! The crossbows are useless in this rain! We are doomed!
Run! Run!
This is what one gets by employing such scoundrels, who fail when there is any need for them. A Genoese crossbowman or an English archer is no match for the French knight. Let us charge this rabble which fails when it is wanted. En avant, messieurs.
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
Help me. Please, don't die.
The Battle of Crécy began with the thunderous roar of arrows. The English longbowmen, feared across Europe, unleashed their deadly barrage. Arrows rained down like a storm, breaking the French lines, before they even had a chance to advance.
Cowards die many times before their death. The valiant never taste of death but once.
What can I say?
You don't need to say anything, Charles. All we have to do is to fulfill our duty.
Right. Dying is easy, living is hard.
Now it's our time to ride forward and breach the English lines. Let's gather our knights. Our fate is in God's hands now.
The knights of the kingdom of Bohemia are ready, and so are the knights of the county of Luxembourg. Let's ride forward as brothers and friends.
I am so proud of you, my son. Prague. Prague.
Prague, Prague, Prague.
Jesus Christ. Sire, they are too numerous.
They shall not pass.
They are simply too many. We need help or they'll break our line.
Find my father, the king, and let him know how badly we are being beaten here.
At your service, my liege.
I will not now break the order of my battles for him. Let him win his spurs, for if God has so ordained it, I believe he will prove himself this day the most valiant prince in Christendom.
Ouch! Where is Charles? Where is my son?
He has been injured, but he continues fighting. He's so brave.
Tell him to retreat. He shouldn't continue fighting when he's bleeding.
But sir, I am not sure he'll want to obey.
Ouch!
My king, you're hit too. You must also retreat.
Far be it that the king of Bohemia should run away. Instead, take me to the place where the noise of the battle is the loudest. The Lord will be with us. Nothing to fear. Just take good care of my son.
I would like to go there and die alongside my dad. But my knights won't let me do so. I must carry on. My father would like me to live.
The Battle of Crécy would go down in history as one of the most decisive victories of the 100 Years' War. For Edward III and the Black Prince, it marked the beginning of their legacy, while for King John of Bohemia, it was the end of a king's journey, a king who fought not just for his own glory, but for his son, his kingdom, and his honor. According to the legend, the Black Prince adopted the 3 ostrich feathers from his gallant foe as the new heraldic badge as well as his motto.